What's good, y'all? You back with Streetz, freestyle cooking with Streetz. Thanks for tuning in. You already know what it is, y'all. Got another great video for y'all. Hope everybody out there is safe. Fighting this virus, man. We're trying to get things back on the norm. So I'm bringing y'all these videos, man. Some of us is on chill. We gotta be in the crib, not at work. So we got these recipe videos, man, to just keep the spirits up. You feel me? So we gonna go right in. So tonight, y'all, we're gonna do some porgies, man. I got some porgies up here, about almost 2 pounds. They not that big, but average size, about 2 pounds. Okay, we're gonna do some porgies over some rice. We got some zucchini, mushroom, shrimp, yellow peppers. Yo, man, we about to get it in, man. All right, so let's do it. All right, y'all, let's get started. So I got my porgies, okay? I also got me some garlic, yellow bell pepper, shallots cut up. Got me some zucchini cut up. Got me some mushrooms. You can use whatever kind of mushrooms you like. Got me some whole mushrooms right there. Got some shrimp already cooked, extra large shrimp. Bag of white rice and vegetables, y'all. This is what we're gonna do, y'all. All right, got me some fresh thyme and rosemary, some lemon juice. We about to get this thing in, man. So we're gonna get the seasoning up, everything, get this thing started. Okay, the first thing is you go ahead and heat your oven up to 400. So I got my oven heated up to 400. Okay, and then my porgies, I had already bought them cut and cleaned from my market, but you can get the whole porgy, cut the head off yourself, split it open, do your thing, or you can ask your person behind the counter to hook you up. All right, but I had already got these like this, clean, ready to go. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of my fresh rosemary, some thyme. Get that up on the inside of my fish, y'all. Okay. Those fresh herbs up in there. All right, so next I'm going to score my porgies. I'm going to score them. So I'm going to put my slits in them. Just like that, y'all. You don't want to go too deep. All right, we're gonna score the fish. That's gonna help that when we season it, them seasons sink all up into the fish, y'all. So when we done, it flake up real nice. Just like that, y'all. All right, next, I'm gonna take a cap full of lemon juice. If you got fresh lemons, you cut a lemon in half, and you could, or you cut slices of lemon and you could stuff them up inside too. But I had them fresh lemons, so I'm gonna pour my lemon juice right up inside there, y'all, with my rosemary and thyme. Cap full. Yeah. You get some slices, you can stick them in your scores, you can stick them on the inside. All right, next I got some salt. I'm using my Mediterranean salt, black olives, my special sea salt. You could just use regular salt. Kosher salt. All right. I'll go ahead and put some salt. And we're going to do both sides, y'all. Okay. Some pepper. Get that pepper on there. And like I said, y'all, both sides. So we're going to go ahead and flip them over. Salt. Pepper. All right, next I'm gonna add some of my Creole seasoning. Go. Both sides. And this is kind of this is the way I'm seasoning it, but you can always test out different seasons of however you like your fish. You know what I'm saying? If you can't get your hands on porgies, you could use snapper, you know, any kind of fish that flakes up real nice. Okay? But you could just test out your seasonings, you know, be a little creative. Okay, now I'm gonna put on some of my sesame teriyaki seasoning, one of my special gourmet seasonings. This is optional because this is seasoning that I like, that is good for, you know, fish, chicken, stir fry, stuff like that. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my fish. Just optional though. The season we got on there was good to go. Okay, so that's what you had. We're good to go. This is optional. You got this. Or you can get your hands on this. You know, give it a try. All right, get it on the other side also. All right. All right. Also, I'm gonna add some chili powder, y'all. This is also optional. I like a little spice going on my fish. I like it a little spicy. But I'm making it real flavorful, y'all. All right, but y'all should give it a try, man. Follow this recipe. I'm guarantee y'all love it. All right, but you know, for y'all that don't like it hot, something like that, you know, you don't got to go there. All right, next I'm gonna pour some oil. Get some oil on there. I'm using some sunflower oil. You could use, I like to use a high heat point oil because we're gonna throw this in the oven and it can deal with the heat. But you know, you can use olive oil, you know, regular vegetable oil, that's what you got. You know, canola oil is best, you know, because that handles a nice high heat. All right, so rub my oil up in there. Rub my oil all over my fish up. Turn them over, get a little bit more oil on there. All right. Oh yeah, I'm smelling the flavors already. All right, now we're gonna get our bacon dish. We got our oven heating up. Let's do it. All right, y'all, got my fish up in the up in my bacon dish, ready to go. Now, before I forget, y'all, you take your garlic cloves, go ahead and smash them up like that. And stick them in there too, y'all. Almost forgot. Stick y'all fresh garlic cloves up in there. If you ain't got any fresh ones, you know, some minced garlic. If you got a jar of that up in the spot. Just take a nice, smash them up. Give us that garlic flavor, man. Almost lunched on that, y'all. Almost left y'all hanging. All right, got my garlic up in there. Oven ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and put this up in the oven, y'all, for about 20 minutes, man. You know, till our skin gets nice and crispy, okay? We're gonna put it in 20 minutes, check, see how it's flowing, you know what I mean? Because I might want to broil it a little bit longer. All right, so 20 minutes, y'all, 400. Let's do it. All right, while our fish is in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and get our veggies ready. So I already got my everything else cut up. I didn't cut my mushrooms up, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut these up, y'all. You know, you can chop them up however you like. You know, nice bite-sized pieces. All right, got these chopped up. Nice size pieces like I like them. Go ahead and put them in a bowl. And go ahead and get my pan ready, y'all. All right, y'all, got my pan ready. Let's get it on. Gonna get it to medium high, y'all. And I'm gonna let my pan heat up first. You know, like I said, you always want your pan to get real hot first before you get to cooking in your pan, especially with the stainless steel, y'all. All right, always remember that tip. Get your pan nice and hot, even with your non-stick, man. You want your pan hot before you drop any like cold food in it. You feel me? So we're gonna get that a minute or two to get hot. Spend a minute. Got my pan hot. Got me some refined coconut oil. Any oil you got is fine for this. Get about a tablespoon up in there, y'all. About a tablespoon. All right, get that all going. All right. First, I want to go ahead and get my garlic up in there. You know, the rest of the cloves that I had left over. Go ahead and stir that around. About 30 seconds. All right, next, get my shallots up in there, y'all. And if you don't have shallots, you could use onions, you know, red onions, whatever you got. If you ain't got no shallots on hand, y'all know I love the flavor of these shallots, man. Way better than onions. All right, I'll go ahead and stir them around for about a minute. All right, been a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and get my yellow peppers up in there. And my zucchini up in there. Yeah, get that all incorporated. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna cook this for about 3 minutes. I got it on the medium high. Cook about 3 minutes. Just keep stirring it up, mixing it up before I add my shrimp and mushrooms. And we're gonna season it up. We're also gonna add some butter, y'all. So get your butter ready. We'll need about a tablespoon to go. All right, so let me do this for like 3 minutes, maybe 4 minutes, as I got these nice size pieces. I could have cut them smaller, but say about 3-4 minutes. We're gonna get our shrimp and mushrooms in there, y'all. Let's do it. All right, y'all, it's been about 4 minutes. As you can see, my zucchini starting to get that little char on it, which is what I want. You feel me? All right. So we also want to go ahead and get a tablespoon of butter in there. Tablespoon of butter. Of our mushrooms. And after I put my mushrooms in, I'm going to wait about 2 minutes before I throw my shrimp in, y'all. Okay, so right now we're going to go ahead and season it. Got about a teaspoon and a half salt. Teaspoon of black pepper. About a teaspoon of my Creole seasoning. And I'm going to also add a couple dashes of hot sauce. Optional, y'all. Because once I get my shrimp up in there, I like that. You know, I like that little spiciness, that little hotness with my food, man. But that's optional, y'all. Go ahead and get that stirred up. Alright, but just salt and pepper will do. You know, once your veggies is, you know, seasoned, they're good to go. So since we add that shrimp in there, and I was already using already cooked shrimp in the bag. So it was plain. So I want that flavor to get all up in my shrimp too. Now we're going to get the shrimp up in there. This is already cooked. So we just want to incorporate this for another minute or so. Let the shrimp get all mixed up in there. Just so that the flavors, so that it soak up some of the flavors. All right, y'all, there we go. We finished. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that to the side. Let it chill. We got a couple more minutes for the fish, so I'm gonna go ahead and now we'll make my rice. And this is easy, y'all. I got the steam in the bag rice. Pop it in the microwave. It's done. All right, so y'all can all follow my lead. Okay, I got the white rice with veggies. If you got regular rice, or if you don't got the frozen rice, you got regular rice. You know, cook your rice right now. But being that it takes about 20 minutes for rice to cook, you might want to start that once you get your fish in the oven. Okay. All right, so we're gonna get the rice ready. By then, our fish should be ready to go. We got our veggies ready to go. Real quick, easy meal, y'all. Let's do it. All right, y'all. We got my fish up out the oven. The Porgies is looking real good. Look at that, y'all. Got a nice crisp skin. Oh, yeah. Got my rice done, y'all. Got the rice done. Boom, boom. Y'all can do y'all's however y'all, if y'all got the bag like I had, steamed it up, put it in a pot, or you had to make it from the grit. Good. Also got the veggies ready to go with shrimp, y'all. All right, let's get this plated on up so y'all can taste this goodness. All right, y'all, here we go. We got it plated on up. We got the rice and veggies. We got the porgy on top. We got the shrimp, the zucchini, the veggies. Sauteed nice, y'all. That's what I'm talking about, man. Freestyle cooking with Streetz, y'all. All right, so please subscribe, like, hit that notification for more great videos. Hope everybody stays safe, man. Don't you gotta stay inside, man, and grind it out. You gotta grind it out. Leave me comments. Let me know what y'all doing while y'all on chill mode. Recipes y'all trying, anything you add to it, making different. Yo, holla. All right, freestyle cooking with Streetz. Get at me. Holla.